Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT Assistants Feature in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This powerful feature allows ChatGPT to respond based on your business data. Once uploaded, ChatGPT will utilize the information to provide personalized responses to your users, ensuring a seamless and efficient communication experience. Let me show you how it is done. There you have it. You just learned how to use OpenAI ChatGPT Assistants feature in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.